What's up, guys? My name is Kiran Kumar, and I am going to teach you how to trade this forex market, how I trade this market and how to stay away from institutions and banks who trade against intraday traders and make them lose money. Then I am going to teach you how to avoid stop loss hunting in this forex market, like how I trade in this market. Today I am going to teach you every single thing in this market, like how to avoid stop loss hunting in this market. So first we will go on 1 day time frame chart, like how to analyze markets before trading our trades, correct? Like if you have any strategy, does not matter. You need to understand like what is support and resistance, correct? What is supply and demand zones. Like we before trade, we need to make them correct, our supply and demand zones, correct? So first of all, this is a supply zone, and second one we clearly see that this one zone. And now we will go to 4 hour time frame. Now you will see that what demand and supply zones we created, that have little bit constellation, like we will confirm it. Then we will go to small time frames, where we will make our supporter residence, correct? These zones we are seeing where market doing consolidations, like these zones, these and some these areas, correct? These areas where our trade mostly getting stop loss hunting. So we will make their zones. First is this one's was the zone, and second it's the same zone, correct? And then we will, if you are an intraday trader, then you will mostly trade in 5 minute time frame or a 15-minute time frame, correct? If you are a swing trader, you will mostly trade in 4 or 1 hour time frame, correct? As I am a intraday trader, correct, I will go on small time frames and I will teach you how to trade small time frames in market, correct? Let's go on 15-minute time frame. Now you see, most today I took a trade and I got a stop loss. Then how I got stop loss, I will teach you. I will create one more zone here, correct? Now I will show you how I got a stop loss. This was a trade, 90% of traders are took this trade, correct? On today's session, this was a trend, correct? You see clearly this was a trend. And second thing is, we have a weekly supply zone on upper side, correct, where institutions are selling or buying. And most of all traders are execute that trade at this place, correct? uh, One thing is, like when market consolidate and then gave a breakout, correct, gave a breakout, came here and gave triple confirmation, then this trade, all people took their SLs on that place, correct? Then they will go for a trade, like they will put their trade here, they will put a stop loss and go for a long target, 1:2, 1:3, correct? You will also do same, correct? It's a normal thing, all traders do that. But what traders who don't come in, 99% of losing traders, what they do to win their trades? Today I will show you how they are going to trade. Like they use their break of structure strategy to trade markets. Like I use two moving averages, like 200 moving average and a 25 moving average, which I use on smaller time frames and also 1 hour 4 hour time frames, which show me market moving averages, like a average of a market, like where market will go, or what market doing currently. Example I will show you. This market or consolidating, correct? This was two zones. Then see what 25 moving average was doing. It's continuously uh, running between this. Then when it's came up, like market went down of this moving average, see it's take one retest and then it's went up. And second thing is, I will say you, 90% of traders, they also saw a shorting trade on this place. Like example, I will show you. It's a the demand zone, correct? You clearly see, and this pattern you see, head and shoulder, correct? And you will enter here, you will go on a trade here, put your stop loss, and then it's a target. It's a clear trade, correct? It's a good trade. Even if you trade this way, it's a good. But second thing is, when you wait, traders who did entry for this trade in a trend line, they got a breakout, then a retest, then they will enter here at this place. And what institutions did when they came, I will show you clearly charts. When you enter in a smaller time frame, what institutions do with you? They just need to hunt your stop losses. They want to cut off you from this market and make your position square off, correct? And example, I will show you that, like lower low, lower high, and lower low. You will enter here. You also saw a bullish angle thing here and a rejection also. And what happened? Just you will enter for downside because you clearly see a trend line got a breakout, correct? And you will enter in this trade. And what happened next? Your trade, you will put your stop loss at this place and see what, boom, your fully trade got and may got out of this market, correct? This is a institution trading zones. Like when market on lifetime high or a zones where is a supply or demand. And most of this you need to confirm any trade in bigger time frames. Like this trade is a full, this trade also I got a stop loss, correct? You will not enter here at this trade because you already got a stop loss in same trade, correct? You see clearly the market uh, higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then market gave a breakout and retest, and you will enter at this place or at this place, correct? Then when you got enter, first of all market hit your SL at this place, then continuously going down. It's a fully a monopoly market. You need to understand how to trade with a proper way. Like you need to understand market working in areas. You need to see some things like break of structure. You see this is a trend line got a breakout, then see it's not a break of structure. Market not given you a indication to enter, correct? You not got any break of structure to trade. You need to wait till give you market a perfect entry. So I need to show you how to I enter. Example, I trade mostly 1 hour or 4 time frame, correct? I will always sing my entries in smaller time frames, correct? So this was, see carefully, I will teach you like when these zones came outside, you see you will enter here, and then see again you got stop loss, then market continuously moving because at this place already a demand zone. You need to understand that market will not give you a proper breakout till market touch after breakout a real supply zone. Then it will confirm that supply zone and it will fall continuously. Correct? You need to understand that what market want to do with you. Market want to make you out from this market. Like how 99% traders lose money, same it will happen with you, correct? You need to understand how I will enter in this market. If you put your SL here, you got your SL and then you will don't trade with, correct? It's happening with every single trade in beginning. You need to wait for a second confirmation. I will say you truth about this forex market. Like when you trade in forex market, market gives you a fake breakout before a real breakout. Correct? You don't need to get in trap in a fake breakout. You need to wait till market give a break of structure, correct? And it's too late to enter in this trade, it's also true, correct? Yeah, I mean, if you will wait for this breakout, you got a breakout and then you will enter here and you think you will get your fully target of this, it's your only trade. correct, and you will not set stop loss 1:1 ratio. You will not go in a trade like this, correct, you will not go in this trade. So you need to, and you need to be so sharp in this market. You need to understand how I will trade in my ways. You will always enter at this place, correct, you need to enter in this zone. It's a supply zone where you will enter, correct. You need to understand two things only. The first thing is that zones where market have chances to go down, correct. I will show you two zones, correct. Market first hit this zone, market hits two three zones to go down. First zone is this, then it's came again down, and second zone is this, correct. Market came here, hit, then from at this place you see intraday traders who going to trade in this place, who want to trade, and you see market gave a rejection, they entered here for a long trade, correct. And because it's broke, the resistance is broke, they saw a market sustaining, they went in this trade and they got their SL, and market continuously move down, correct. So you need to simply understand the concept of trading. Like you don't need to come in 99% of losing traders. You need to go in 1% of successful traders, how they beat the market, correct. They have a mentally structure like how to trade in this, that type of condition, and what will happen if I trade here. Like example, if you traded at this place, if you entered at this place and stop loss, you got your stop loss, correct, and you got up. You don't need to enter in this cheap way. You need to understand the concept of trading. You need to understand you are not alone in this market. Big players are always trading and seeing retail traders to trap them, because they earn when they trap retail traders, correct. So if you seeing, you have a mostly all traders issue, like they will continuously seeing market 24 hours, correct. Breakout, then retest, you will enter here and go in trade and see you got a SL. It's a simple thing, and you lost lot of your money. You don't need to trade like that way. You need to wait a second confirmation. Forex always give you a trade in second time, not a first time. If you're not getting a trade in your first time, leave that trade. It's the only way to avoid institutions stop loss hunting. That's the only way I will say you. Example, one is small thing I will show you again. If you go in small time frame, correct? I will show you here. See that thing, correct? It's a it's a support. You clearly see. So you will seeing, you saw a pattern, correct? You seeing this, you will enter here at this support, correct, and put your stop loss here. See what happened. You got your SL at this place, and then market boom went to your target. This same thing I am repeating again. Like you need to understand concepts. Example, I will you use also a breakoff structure like this. Using market gave a breakout outside of your zones, you will not trade. You will trade if market go upper side of this, correct. And if you wait for a retest like this, boom, and then you will trade here, you will not get your target. It's a true. You only will get your target if you will trade a market condition way, correct. You need to always enter at this place, and you will get your full target. Thanks for watching my video. We will meet in our other video. Thanks for watching.